In the last 3 years, I have made over $3 million wholesaling vacant land. Not houses, not flipping anything, just empty land deals. Everyone talks about house wholesaling, but here's what nobody tells you. Empty land is how you actually make money fast when you are broke. I'm showing you exactly why land beats houses for beginners, the real numbers behind it, and the exact system I use to close deals. If you want to make $5,000 to $20,000 per deal without risking your own money, watch this. Let's go. Here is the problem with wholesaling houses. This is a house that someone might be emotionally attached to, where there's someone living in the property. You need to account for repairs. You need to account for renovations. You need to schedule showings with buyers. Every house flip is going to be completely different from the last one. With land, that is not the case. Land operates completely different. Keep in mind, it is an empty piece of land. There's no repairs, there's no inspections, there's no renovations, there's no chasing buyers down to schedule showings, there's no having to account for someone living on the property that has to relocate. It is an empty piece of land. How much harder or more complicated could it get? And additionally, these pieces of land are about 10 times easier to get than a house. You're negotiating on a piece of land that someone bought 10, 15 years ago and they're not doing anything with. It is just sitting there. These deals close fast. There is nothing to fix or replace. And a common misconception is that you do not make as much on a land deal as you do with a house. That is completely false. I hate to break it to you, but I make a lot more money flipping land than your favorite house wholesalers. You can make $1,000 flipping a piece of land. You can make $100,000 flipping a piece of land. It is the same as houses. You have big deals and you have small deals. The difference is whether small or big, the deal is 10 times easier to close for a beginner and in general. Here is the real advantage. My buyers are developers and builders who are constantly hunting for land. They cannot build a house without a piece of land. They need pieces of land to build houses, neighborhoods, subdivisions, commercial projects, everything. They're not casually just browsing Zillow. They are actively buying. They want deals and they know exactly what they need. Location, zoning, utilities, price. That is their entire decision tree. The challenge is not finding buyers. Builders and developers are always looking for more land. The actual bottleneck is finding enough quality land deals to meet their demand. They can buy unlimited pieces of land, and most wholesalers skip land because they just don't understand it. But while I'm wholesaling land with just about zero competition, these house wholesalers are all fighting for the same exact deal with the same exact buyer. I'm fighting for 10,000 different deals with a ton of different buyers. You're in a completely different lane. That financial advantage is massive. You don't need repair estimates, inspection money, or carrying costs. Your profit is the gap between your contract price with the seller and your assignment price with the buyer. So if you have a contract with the seller for 40 grand, you flip the contract for 50 grand, $10,000 goes directly in your pocket. No money down, no risk, no capital required, no chasing leads, no chasing buyers. A simple system of bringing land to home builders that need more land. Now, here's how to guarantee that builders actually buy and how this actually works in practice. You identify hot markets where builders are actively buying already and building houses already. You research the builders in those markets. You reach out, you build relationships, you learn exactly what they need, the type of land, the zoning, and the price point. Once you know what the builder wants, finding the deals becomes easy because you're hunting for properties that already have a buyer attached. That removes all the risk. You contact a builder you know already wants this exact piece of land, they jump on it, and the deal closes in weeks. Now, here's the other side. Why are these sellers that own these pieces of land so motivated to sell? There are three main reasons. First, retired boomers who just inherited the land. You've got people in their 60s, 70s, and 80s who inherited these pieces of land decades ago. Back then, land was cheap and nobody wanted it. But now, property taxes have skyrocketed. They're retired on fixed incomes, and every year that tax bill stings. They don't want to build on it, they don't know how, and they don't want to manage it. They want it gone. These sellers will take whatever gets it off their plate. 15K, 25K, it doesn't matter. They just want the tax bill to stop. Second, investors who are stuck with bad deals. People who bought land expecting the values to go up and it never happened. They're bleeding cash paying property taxes on something that's not generating income and they want out fast. These sellers are desperate. They will negotiate. Third, life event sellers. Divorce, job relocation, health issues, estate settlement, financial problems. And suddenly that land doesn't fit anymore. They need cash now, they have deadlines, and they need the deal done fast. These sellers need speed. And these are often people who have had the property for a pretty long time and they're not doing anything with it. You offer a solution, they take it, and everybody wins. Here's exactly how the math works. Deal number one. 1 acre from a retired, motivated seller. You contract the land at $15,000. You assign that contract to the builder for $25,000 and you pocket that $10,000 difference. Assignment fee, $10,000. Zero capital invested, zero risk. Deal number two, 1/2 acre, an already fairly developed neighborhood with just a few pieces of land left. You get the contract at $40,000, you flip it to the buyer for $47,000, assignment fee, $7,000 in your pocket. Compare that to houses. You make $15,000 on a house deal, but after months of work, repair estimates, inspections, scheduling showings, buyer issues, and constant fires to put out. With land, the deal closes in weeks and you move on to the next one. These house buyers expect 20 to 30% discounts on the deal. Tight margins, cutthroat competition. Land buyers expect zero discounts because there's only so much land. You can build more houses, you can flip more houses, but you cannot build more land. Builders accept these prices because they're not speculating. They have very firm construction and land budgets and resale budgets. They know exactly what they're paying for the land, what it's going to cost to build the house, and what they're going to sell it for. They have no problem paying top dollar because it still fits their profit scenario. That is the formula. This is the only way to start when you are broke. You are assigning vacant land contracts, which means you control the deal with a contract. You never actually buy the land. Realistically, you need a few $100s to get started. For example, my student Abbas has been making over $10,000 a month with free marketing, not spending any money to get deals, no website, no ads, no direct mail, no fancy tools, just a phone and access to motivated sellers with the correct system. Look at Abbas's results. He was grinding for months with nothing, no paydays. Now he's making over $10,000 a month, following my exact land system. That is the difference right there between struggling and scaling fast with a proven system. If you want the exact system, step-by-step process, and direct coaching and deal guidance from me, I'll tell you exactly what markets to start in, and I'll even partner on the deal with you with my buyers. Click the link below and book a call. We'll tell you if this is a fit and if it makes sense for your situation. Land wholesaling is the fastest way for beginners to make real money. Low startup costs, fewer obstacles, faster closes, and better margins. Builders are constantly looking for more pieces of land. If you're starting with limited capital and you're frustrated with all these other business models and you want a simpler path to real estate income, land is where you make it happen. Stop competing in these saturated models, stop competing with houses, and start profiting in land. Again, if you want to book a call and work directly with me, have you walk you through exactly how I'm getting checks like these in the mail every single day, click the link, book a call. I'll see you on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.